It looks like it's going to dry out a little bit over the next 24 to 48 hours, but there still could be a few isolated thunderstorms tonight. Best chances should be across North Texas into Oklahoma, but we may have one or two around, so something we'll keep an eye on. Then drier weather moving in, and not just rain-wise, but humidity-wise. I think we're going to scoot that out over the next couple of days. It's going to feel a lot more comfortable outside Tuesday and Wednesday afternoons, but then it moves back in, the humidity and maybe a little heat. And we could be seeing more storms as we head toward Memorial Day itself. The latest on that coming up. But high temps over the next 7 days, 87 and 89 respectively Tuesday and Wednesday. And again, with lower humidity values, that's going to feel pretty decent. Then we get into the 90s again, and the humidity levels will increase Thursday, Friday, going into your Memorial Day weekend, with highs generally into the lower 90s, which is a little bit above normal. But usually as we head toward the back half of May, we start seeing those 90s a lot more around here. Isolated thunderstorm chances for tonight. Again, the best chances will be across North Texas into Oklahoma. Storm system rolling into the Panhandle. That will move to the east as we head into tomorrow. And on the backside of that, that will bring drier air into the region and allow us to dry out just a little bit and bring those humidity levels down. And I think a lot of us will applaud that. As we take a look at our future track, again, a couple of isolated thunderstorms possible for this evening. We'll track anything if it tries to become a little too rambunctious on us. By Monday at 10 p.m. here, this is not showing too much. And then watch what happens. It tries to develop one isolated thunderstorm between 10 p.m. and 1 a.m. moving toward the I-35 corridor. Other models don't have this at all. So I'm going to say there's about a 20 to 30% chance that that could happen. Then as we make our way into Tuesday, things pretty quiet here across the area. Tuesday morning, a few clouds, but watch what happens. Those scoot away as we head into the afternoon, and it should feel pretty good outside with northwesterly winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. So for tonight, the drier air will work into our western counties first. So that means in the morning, you'll be cooler, upper 50s and lower 60s back near Hamilton, Goldthwait, and San Saba. Drier air will try to get here about 7 o'clock in the morning. Waco, Temple, Killeen, dropping temperatures in the 60s, but still humid down toward the south with temperatures into the 70s in Bryan College Station. Then we'll keep the 90s around in the Brazos Valley for tomorrow, but as you head farther to the northwest, Waco, Temple, Killeen, hopefully staying in the 80s, and with sunshine, it'll still be warm. But without that humidity, it will feel a lot better as that northwesterly breeze will dry us out just a little bit. And as we look at your forecast, temperatures hanging out into the upper 80s the next couple of afternoons. 59 Wednesday morning. It's going to feel good. But then here comes the humidity back at us, and maybe a few thunderstorm chances on Thursday. 92 degrees for a high, 91 on Friday. Saturday and Sunday right now look okay, but as we head into Memorial Day Monday, we may have a chance for some scattered thunderstorms. And will it be more afternoon or in the evening? Still some timing differences on that. We'll keep an eye on it, but keep that in the back of your mind if you have some plans outdoors. And then we may continue with at least some sort of thunderstorm chances Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. And looking at the Brazos Valley, 92 degrees on Tuesday, 93 on Wednesday, middle 90s on Thursday, and the 30% chance for a few thunderstorms there. Friday and Saturday look pretty quiet, maybe an isolated storm threat there on Sunday. And then again, as we head into Memorial Day, just some isolated storm chances for you. Then about 30% as we make our way into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week.